going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a little POV driving on the 340i xDrive. Again, this is a 2018 model. Currently pretty much bone stock with the exception of the JB Plus that I have installed right now. I'm not going to punch it yet just because the oil temps still aren't where I want them to be, but I will show you guys kind of what this thing can do with a simple piggyback tune. And oh good, there's some trucks up there, so that's going to slow me down great. So yeah, I mean this thing is just honestly an amazing daily driver. Super comfortable, a pleasure to drive. I mean, honestly, it just every time I get in this thing, I'm ecstatic about the way that it drives. It's got great power right out of the gate. CarPlay is awesome, of course. I'm not going to play any music because YouTube will flag that for copyright infringement or whatever it's called. But yeah, you know, obviously people are pretty familiar with what CarPlay does, but they've got some pretty cool features in here as well. You know, specifically the technology in action thing I think is pretty cool. So, you know, it shows the horsepower and the torque here. This thing's probably only got, you know, I don't know, 350 to 370, somewhere like that, because Berger Motorsports, who makes the JB Plus, by the way, I do sell the JB Plus. I'll throw a link in the description of the video for you guys to the website if you want to purchase one. So anyway, they rated, I'm gonna pull over here for a second because these guys are cramping the style. So they rated the JB Plus for like 30 to 40 wheel horse gains on 91 octane because it's in California. So you know, I'm using 93 here in Connecticut, and so, you know, maybe slightly more than that gains wise. So that's just kind of like for reference, the power that, you know, the JB Plus adds. So let's go ahead and put this in sport mode. Yeah, we're Gucci. Yeah, so really nice. Now that I'm feeling it as well, I forgot to mention the drivetrain and, you know, the steering and everything really stiffens up in sport mode, which is one of my favorite parts about this as well. So I mean, it's just an absolute animal with just this little piggyback tune. I love it. Absolutely love it. You can even chirp the tires, you know, and this is an xDrive car, so I mean, putting down some serious power. I will definitely be putting a I'll definitely be putting a downpipe on, as well as some other goodies. I'm just kind of holding off for now just because I've got a couple other projects going on, specifically the gray E92 that you guys have seen a lot of on my Instagram as well. So there's a lot of good content coming for that car. I'm not going to spoil what I'm doing to it yet, but just know that it's going to be pretty sweet, pretty unique. So stay tuned for that. All right, let's see if we can get a clear kind of pass up here. Oh, of course not. Little 328. Sounds incredible too. But yeah, I love this feature here too. So I figured I'd quickly show you guys how the JB Plus works. It literally just plugs in here to your T-Map sensor. Really easy install. It takes literally probably 5 minutes. You just want to make sure that you let the car go to sleep before you mess with that. So that's really the only thing about it. I'll put a link again in the bio description, I mean, of the video. And then here's a couple other products that we sell. So this is a 4.5-inch downpipe for the B48. A lot of the ones on the market right now are 4-inch, so this is a nice option at a great price, of course. And then the B48tu pump right here. So honestly, with these two mods, and you could use a heat exchanger as well. Really, all you need on this car to approach 500 horsepower. So you know, I'll put links in the description. You guys can purchase this on the store. But yeah, thanks for watching. You know, definitely more content to come, but I just really wanted to show you guys this JB Plus, because it's pretty cool for just a little 30 to 40 wheel horse for something small like that. So also, when you get it, you can open this thing up actually, and there's a little dial. You can adjust the boost, so like 5 psi is the max, and that's what I have it set to right now. But thanks for watching, guys. Again, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and we'll see you later.